Here at the National Roman Legion Museum, we're supporting Caerleon's bid to become the town of culture. Caerleon has been a really important place for a very long time. Before the Romans even, up on Lodge Hill is an Iron Age hill fort, and the Romans arrived, built a fortress here in AD 74 to 75, which they named Isca. This fortress has got loads of brilliant things to show off. We have the only fully excavated amphitheatre in Britain. We have legionary barracks on show. We have a fortress baths. We have our museum with thousands of objects for you to see. Lots of other history going through Caerleon. We have the remains of a medieval castle. We have the birthplace of Arthur Machen. We have the Hanbury Arms pub where Alfred Lord Tennyson wrote the Idylls of the King. Caerleon's a really vibrant, brilliant place to be. Lots going on.
Hi, I'm Ruth Long. I'm Secretary of Caerleon Petanque Club. We support Caerleon's bid for Town of Culture.
I'm the owner of the Richard Bean coffee shop, and I am very happy to support for Town of Culture.
Good morning, I'm Tim Davidson, I'm chair of the Caerleon Festival. Over the years we've developed from an international sculpture event to events throughout the year involving all arts. We have Shakespeare in the amphitheatre, we have choirs in the newly refurbished church, we have events on the banks of the River Usk, and of course we have events in our meadow. We do literature, we do poetry, we do song, we do storytelling, we do entertainment in all its manifestations. Now I should mention that Caerleon of course is not just of historical significance, it's also of legendary significance. Indeed it is part and parcel of the King Arthur story. Caerleon has been referred to as Camelot over many hundreds of years. Some of the sculptures that we have around the village, they refer to that Arthurian legend, most interesting. I'm here on behalf of the festival volunteers to support the bid for Caerleon to be a town of culture, which it undoubtedly is.
Hello, I'm Chris Thomas. I'm the current chair of Caerleon Civic Society. Caerleon Civic Society is an established part of the town's cultural scene. It has existed for just over 50 years. The society attracts a diverse range of people from across the Caerleon community. Our aim is to protect and promote Caerleon's historical heritage and unique environment. The Civic Society supports for Caerleon's bid for Town of Culture.
Hi, my name's Gareth from Caerleon Village Bakery. We're supporting Caerleon's bid to be the Town of Culture.
Hi, my name is Den and I'm the owner of the Flower Den Florist in Caerleon, and we are supporting Caerleon's bid for Town of Culture.
Hello there, my name is Alan Evans. This is my shop in the Furham Spirit of Arwen, and I support Caerleon becoming a town of culture.
We're part of the Settle and Pearls, and we're supporting Caerleon's bid for Town of Culture.
I'm Reverend Sue Pratton, the Vicar of St Cadoc's Caerleon, and delighted to support Caerleon's bid to be the Town of Culture. Caerleon is just a wonderful place, full of opportunities. If you want to come to a concert, come here. If you want to know about history, come here. We have restaurants. You name it, we've got it in Caerleon. So please come and see what it has to offer.